To get in Sacchitanand Uttekar of Tradebulls for a quick technical check on the market. Sachi, we're holding above 25,350, give or take 30-40 points. Do you think this is good news for the bulls and towards the second half there could be an up move, or the weakness in mid-cap index suggests that there could perhaps be some selling in the second half?
Good morning, Mangalam. Good morning, Nigel. I think Nifty has already made an attempt to, surpass that 25,500 hurdle. But I think if you look at the data, it looks like more of a consolidation here. We may see the Nifty again spending, time within this particular range. On the lower side, we don't see it, breaking that 25,200, bottom support. We may see Nifty oscillating within this range of 25,400 to 25,230. So I think the probability of a breakout about 25,500 looks weak. Even if you look at Nifty Bank, we were expecting that there could be an expiry somewhere close to around 57,000. But looking at the data again, the data is suggesting a range-bound movement. Probably the resistance at 56,800, 840 will stand intact for the day. And on the lower side, we may see support somewhere close to around 56,550.
Okay, got that, Sacchitanand. So that's the call in terms of indices, but you have, I'm sure, a couple of individual picks for us. Tell us, which ones are they?
Nigel, there is a good amount of strength in all the cement counters, and from that particular pack, we are confident looking at the price action of Dalmia Bharat. Disclosure would be that we have recommended it to our clients as well. Now, if you look at the weekly charts, there is a bullish flag formation exhibiting a price target somewhere close to around 2230. There's a good, strong positive crossover on its 5 and 20 exponential moving averages as well. So we are expecting that this particular momentum may continue towards 2230 during the coming week itself. The stop loss for the trade can be placed at around 20951 on closing basis, and we are recommending building fresh aggressive long positions in Dalmia Bharat for a pattern target of 2230. The other stock which we have recommended is TVS Motors. Yesterday we saw a very confident breakout and very strong rollovers there. If you look at the structure, it also looks like a bullish flag formation on a daily scale. After a strong consolidation, we have seen a very good elevation of support. The stop loss should be placed at around 2885 on closing basis, and we may see this particular rally getting continued towards 3060.
All right, we take that point. Meanwhile, do you have a view on Nykaa? The stocks moved slightly higher. It's been doing well all through this week, just about 10% away from its 52-week high. They've held an investor day. We'll talk about the key takeaways from the presentation which has been uploaded. But technically, how does that one look?
Nigel, I think there is a very strong, up move which is ongoing. We have seen, days of consolidation within the same. Price structure-wise, we are expecting that this rally would continue towards 220 eventually. From a trading perspective, we have a target in mind close to around 213. And if you look at the data, I think the support at 200 has been very confident. Even in the coming July series, we may see this particular support being very significant. So one can keep a stop loss at around 198 on a closing basis and build some aggressive positions for a trading target of 213, followed by a pattern target of around 220 from a trend perspective.
All right, we take that point, Sachi. Thanks a lot for that. As we speak, the stock has moved higher. We'll keep an eye out on how this goes, but also watch out for a couple of other stocks from the broader markets. Dilip Buildcon